Thank you guys so much. Good morning. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, all the way to Italy. Merry Christmas, Italy. Thank you, Boro. Thank you so much for the roses. You guys, if everyone could send a rose, that would be so appreciated. Just send one rose, everybody. Let's go. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. Hi, Zoon. Thank you so much for the rose. Thank you guys so much. So many roses. Thank you. Thank you guys. My hair's bothering me today. Snoop Dogg. Thank you, Japano, for the donuts. 99,000 likes. Thank you guys so much. Let's go. Let's get 100K. Let's go right now. Right now. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Let's see. Welcome to today. Thanks so much for joining us on this Friday morning. Savannah and Craig enjoying a little time off for the holidays. So Peter and I are holding down the fort in studio one night. Peter, you know there's a regular Christmas and then there's a Snoop Dogg Christmas. Thank you guys.
Yesterday, that was something else. Lady Wilson reminded me on her illuminated sleigh. We're going to revisit those highlights from last night. It was pretty special.
If you get a red fur jacket like that.
Well said now.
Well, this first day after Christmas, we are bringing down everything you need to know, including
Good morning, you guys.
from coast to coast, devastating rain in the west.
While the Northeast is bracing for nearly a foot of snow, New York City now preparing for what may be its biggest winter storm.
Good morning, you guys. Thank you so much for being here.
Are expected to hit the roads and skies this weekend. This is a look at Chicago's O'Hare Airport this morning.
Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Numerous cars ending up on the side of the roads as they try to...
Thank you so much for the perfume. Oh my God, hell yeah, let's go. Thank you so much, Masked. Thank you. So exciting, thank you so much. Thank you for the Rosa. Thank you guys so much. Good morning. Oh no. Oh, it's so beautiful. Thank you guys so much. No. Thank you, Tony, for the perfume. It's so appreciated. Thank you.
In the desert, drivers had to abandon cars to save themselves. This driver escaped just in time.
They had to get a rescue, like a lifeline, you know? They were standing on the roof of their vehicle.
Rain overtook entire neighborhoods and right
Thank you so much for the chilies.
here, sealing off homes. Some nearly to the roof, caked in mud, roads washed away.
Thank you guys.
Snarling traffic.
Hi, good morning. Thank you so much for the likes. Hell yeah, 102,000 likes. Let's go. Thank you so much, you guys. You guys don't forget to follow me and share the live. And tap that screen and send giffies if you feel like it. Thank you so much. Mwah.